Bonsoir. Welcome to Exercice 12. Now, this is the portion where I'm speaking in Creole, and all you're doing is listening and translating before looking at the exercise, before going to the answer key. You're going to do that when you're done with me. But right now, you're going to listen and try to translate. You can also répéter when you pause. After me the first time or the second time or the third time, whatever works for you. Okay? All right. 6. Ou reme bosse dan trop. Ou reme bosse dan trop. Ou reme bosse dan trop. 7. Ti fia ap retire wob li. Ti fia ap retire wob li. Ti fia ap retire wob li. 8. Yo tap mette krem pou bab sou figi yo, mem te fe yo sispan. Yo tap mette krem pou bab sou figi yo, mem te fe yo sispan. Yo tap mette krem pou bab sou figi yo, mem te fe yo sispan. Still need that 80%. 9. Se de chaussettes marine te pran. Marie is Marie or Mary. Se de chaussettes marine te pran. Se te chaussettes marine te pran. 10. Bral achete yon serviette le male nan magasin ak zamim. Bral achete yon serviette le male nan magasin ak zamim. Bral achete yon serviette lem ale nan magasin ak zamim. Woo! So, you remember you can pause when you want to répéter après moi, repeat after me. But you can also just do this over and over again. Here is something to realize. You may learn in this way. Hearing me and répéter allows you to get it. Hearing me, répéter, look at the answer key, may make you go, oh, I need to practice this one thing. This is what I'm getting wrong. Hearing, listening to me, and going to the workbook first before the answer key and seeing it visually may help you to see what you are not hearing well and practice that some more with the older videos. But some of you, what you need to do may be a little bit different. Some of you may need to hear the Creole video and then play it all over again before you go to the answer key. Before you look at the sentences in the workbook. Hearing it a second time might help your brain to connect faster. It's up to you. Whatever works for you is exactly what you want to do. Okay? Didn't mean for that to rhyme. All right, so what I want you to do right now is download this video. Give it a thumbs up so you can know you've already downloaded it. You can move on. This happens a lot where people say, I don't know which videos I downloaded. And I'm always like, if I watch a podcast or something on YouTube and I like it, I give it a thumbs up so that I know if it pops up again, oh, I already saw that. And that's going to help you. But it lets me to see that you're progressing. You didn't stop at lesson 5 and completely give up. You are progressing. And that's really important to me. I need to know that this is working for you. Okay? So, you are going to complete your exercice 12. And then you're going to watch the next video, which is going to explain. It's going to expliquer exercice 12. Au revoir.